As part of a corporate supply chain, inventory management includes aspects such as 1. Controlling and overseeing purchases, from suppliers as well as customers. 2. Maintaining the storage of stock. 3. Controlling the amount of product for sale. 4. Order fulfillment. Of course, the exact meaning of inventory management for companies will vary based on 1. The types of products you sell. 2. The channels that you sell it through. But as long as these basic ingredients are in place, you will have a solid foundation on which to build. Why is inventory management important? Implementing a good inventory management system is critical to a company's success. However, many small businesses use outdated practices or neglect to track their inventory levels altogether. Inventory management is not just about finished goods, it is about accounting for cash flow, labor, and the total assets of a company. With a viable inventory management system in place, companies can increase their operations and grow, and also 1. Reduce costs. 2. Prevent aging stock. 3. Provide better customer service.